Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. A lot of people did ask me about GameStop. I actually sold my full position. I actually sold it a while ago for a small profit right before the dump, right before it dumped all the way down to like 200 something. I sold it maybe like right here, like September 2nd, I think, at 213 or so. Um, or probably, I don't remember where, but I sold it for like a very small profit. I didn't really make money off of like the 100 shares that I had because I knew it was gonna dump and I'm probably gonna buy again. Not now, maybe a little bit later. But I do have three YOLO calls for this week. Again, these are YOLO calls, right? These are not actually calls that I think will hit. But historically, GameStop's peak high has either hit 2 days before earnings or 2 day or a day after earnings. And that's exactly what I'm playing right now. All I'm really doing is just playing the odds. I'm trying to see if GameStop can actually rally hard either today or tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, yeah. So either today or tomorrow. I don't think that GameStop hits peaks by Friday. I think that GameStop has to either hit a has to can run either today or tomorrow, and that's it. I don't think Friday is gonna run. Um, Also on the chart, I mean, I'll do a TA on GME, but on the chart it doesn't look. I don't want to say it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good either. On the weekly, it looks like we are going to be closing bear all over again for the weekly. So I do expect another drop to like around 180 or so on GameStop. Again, I definitely think we can rally this week. The odds are definitely not against GameStop, but again, it's a YOLO play, right? I'm not expecting these to hit at all. I'm fully expecting myself to lose, at least half of this money by Thursday. Because if by Thursday, GameStop doesn't rally, I'm going to be selling all of my calls and just kind of getting out of this position altogether. But GameStop, again, I don't have any shares right now. I'm probably going to buy 10 just in case of, obviously like the MOAS happens, whatever. So I always try to keep 10 shares in GameStop just in case anything happens. Because you never know, right? It can pop off at any second if you do believe that the most is going to happen. But again, um, I actually personally think that we peaked last week on the high. But again, just from historical runs, it looks like GameStop can rally again, either today or tomorrow. And after that, that's kind of it. I don't think it's gonna run up any higher. If anything, I think it's gonna drop that back down lower to like 180 or so. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.